Welcome to Peak English Listening Channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to visit a bakery. We will enjoy a simple and fun conversation. In this video, you will learn many useful vocabulary words about bread and shopping. This is perfect for beginners. You will follow a story about two friends. They discover a bakery and explore many kinds of bread. Don't worry if you are new to English. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer in the video. This will help you understand English more deeply. Are you ready? Here is today's listening challenge. What is the long, thin French bread called? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. Even a short sentence is great. All right, are you ready? Let's begin the story.
Amelia, wait. Stop for a second.
What is it? Is something wrong?
No, nothing is wrong. But do you smell that?
Smell what? I don't smell anything.
Really? Something smells really good. Can you smell it now?
Oh, wait. Now I can smell it. You're right. It smells so good. It smells like bread. Fresh bread.
Yes, it does. It smells exactly like fresh bread. Where's it coming from?
I'm not sure. Maybe from that direction. Let me look. Oh, I see it. Look over there. There's a bakery on that corner.
A bakery? Oh, I see it now. It looks really nice.
It does look nice. They must be baking fresh bread right now. That's why it smells so good.
The smell is making me hungry. My stomach is telling me to go inside.
Mine too. I'm getting very hungry.
You know, I didn't plan to come to a bakery today.
I didn't plan to come here either. But I can't leave now. The smell is too good.
I agree. I can't ignore this smell. Let's go inside.
Yes, let's go inside. I want to see what kind of bread they have.
Me too. I'm excited. Let's go.
Alex and Amelia open the door and walk inside the warm bakery.
Wow, Amelia. Look at all this bread. There are so many kinds here.
I know. This bakery has so many kinds of bread. I can see bread everywhere.
I've never seen this many kinds of bread in one place. It's amazing, right?
Each one looks different. Yes. Some are big, some are small, some are round, some are long.
What is this long one here?
That's called a baguette. It's a type of French bread.
A baguette? How do you spell that?
Baguette. Baguette. It's long and thin. Baguettes are very popular in France.
Really? That's interesting. It looks delicious. And what about this big round one? What is it called?
We call that a loaf of bread. We often say a loaf when we talk about a whole piece of bread, like this one.
A loaf? So when I buy bread at the supermarket, that big one is a loaf?
Yes, that's right. A loaf of bread. You can slice it and use it for toast or sandwiches.
I see. That makes sense. And what about this one? This one looks very interesting. What is it?
That's a croissant. It's shaped like a half moon. Can you see the shape?
Oh, yes. I can see it. A half moon. It's a beautiful shape. Croissant?
Croissants are soft and light inside. They have a lot of butter in them, so they taste very buttery.
I've had croissants before. I love them. They're so good with coffee.
I agree. A croissant and a cup of coffee are perfect together.
I want to get one. Actually, I want to get a lot of things, but I can't choose. Everything looks so good.
Take your time. We're not in a hurry. Look at everything first and then decide.
Okay. Let me look around a little more.
Alex looks around the bakery for a few minutes.
Okay. Did you decide what you want?
Yes, I think so. I want to get that croissant.
Great choice. Okay, first you need to take a tray. Here, take this tray.
This tray? Okay, I have it. What do I do next?
You put your bread on the tray. Now you also need tongs. Use these tongs to pick up the bread.
Tongs. Oh, these things that look like big chopsticks?
Yes, something like that. You open them, grab the bread, and then put it on your tray.
Okay, let me try. I'll get the croissant first.
Go ahead. Just grab it gently. Don't press it too hard.
Like this? Oh no. It's harder than I thought. The croissant keeps moving.
Be careful. Grab it a little more firmly. You almost dropped it.
I know. I almost dropped it. The croissant is so round and soft. It won't stay still.
Try again. Hold the tongs like this. See? Open them wide and then close them around the bread. A little more firmly, but not too hard.
Okay. Let me try one more time. Open, close. I got it. I did it.
Great job. You did it. Now put it on the tray carefully.
Okay. There. It's on the tray. I did it.
You looked so serious just now. You were really focused.
I was very serious. I really didn't want to drop the bread on the floor. That would be so bad.
Don't worry. You did a good job. Let's keep going and get some more bread.
Amelia, look over here. Look at this corner. All of these look sweet.
Oh, this is the sweetbread section. I love this part of the bakery. Everything looks so colorful and delicious.
It does.
So what looks good to you?
This one. Look, this bread has chocolate inside. I can see the chocolate from here. I love chocolate.
That's called chocolate bread. It's one of the most popular items at bakeries. The chocolate inside is usually warm and soft when the bread is fresh.
Warm chocolate inside fresh bread? That sounds amazing.
It is amazing. And look at the bread next to it. That one has cream inside. It's called cream bread.
Cream bread? I like cream too. The cream looks thick and smooth.
It is. The cream is sweet and soft. It goes really well with the bread.
I want both. I want the chocolate one and the cream one.
And you should also look at this one. This is a kind of pastry. See how the outside is golden and flaky?
A pastry? Yes, I can see it. It looks so crispy and beautiful. It looks like a piece of art.
It does look like art, and it tastes as good as it looks, believe me.
Okay, that's it. I'm getting the chocolate bread, the cream bread, and the pastry. Oh, and I already have the croissant on my tray.
Wait, that's 4 things. Didn't you say you just wanted one?
I know. I just wanted one at first, but they all look so good. I couldn't stop myself.
You always do this. You always buy more than you planned.
I can't help it. This bakery has too many good things. It's not my fault.
Right. It's the bakery's fault.
Yes.
Alex and Amelia walk to the counter to pay.
Hi there. Welcome. Is that everything for today?
Yes, I think so. Oh, wait. Can I also have one more chocolate bread, please?
Sure. So, 1 extra chocolate bread. Let me check your tray. You have 1 croissant, 1 chocolate bread, one cream bread, 1 pastry, and 1 pastry, plus the extra chocolate bread. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, great. So, that's 1 croissant, 2 chocolate breads, 1 cream bread, and 1 pastry. Is this for here or to go?
To go, please. We're going to eat outside.
To go? Sure. Your total is $14.
$14? Okay, here you go.
Thank you very much. Here's your change. And here's your bag with everything inside.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy your bread. Please come again.
Thank you. We will.
They walk out of the bakery and sit on a bench outside.
So, how did it go? Did you get everything you wanted?
Yes, I got everything. Look at all this bread. 1 croissant, 2 chocolate breads, 1 cream bread, and 1 pastry.
That's a lot of bread. Let's eat some right now. I can't wait any longer.
Me neither. The bread is still warm from the bakery. Let's eat now.
Let's start with the croissant. Here, try it. Take a bite.
Okay.
Alex takes a big bite of the croissant.
Oh my. This is so good, Amelia. This is really, really good.
Right? It's delicious. It's so soft inside. The inside is light and soft, like a cloud.
And the outside is crispy. I love the crispy outside.
You can hear it when you bite into it.
Yes, crispy outside, soft inside. It's perfect. This is the best croissant I've ever had.
Now, try the chocolate bread. I want to know how it tastes.
Okay, let me try it.
Alex bites into the chocolate bread.
The chocolate inside is warm and soft. It's melting in my mouth. This is amazing.
That sounds so good. Can I try some?
Of course. Here, have some. I have 2 chocolate breads anyway.
Amelia takes a bite.
Wow, you're right. The chocolate is so warm and smooth.
See, fresh bread from a bakery is so different.
It really is. It's so much better when it's fresh.
Fresh bread is always the best.
You're right. It's completely different from bread at the supermarket.
That's the magic of a good bakery. They make everything fresh every morning.
Now I want to try the pastry. Let me take a bite. It's so crispy. I can hear it.
How does it taste?
It's sweet and buttery and very crispy. I really like it.
I'm so happy we stopped here today. I'm really glad we came.
Me too. It was a great idea.
Best idea of the day. That was so good. All of it. I really, really like this bakery.
Me too. Everything was delicious. The bread was fresh, the croissant was perfect, and the pastry was amazing.
And the chocolate bread was my favorite. The warm chocolate inside was so good.
I liked the cream bread. The cream was sweet and smooth.
I want to come back again soon. Very soon.
Me too. Let's come again next weekend. What do you think?
Next weekend? That's a great idea. I'd love that.
And next time, we can try something new. We didn't try everything today.
That's true. I didn't try the baguette. Next time, I want to try the baguette.
Good choice. Baguettes are great with butter or cheese. And maybe we can try some different pastries too.
Yes, I saw some pastries with fruit on top. I want to try those next time.
That sounds delicious. We have a lot to try next time.
And next time, I'll be better with the tongs. I won't almost drop the bread again.
You'll be a pro with tongs by next time.
I hope so. I had a hard time with the tongs today.
Don't worry about it. Everyone has trouble with tongs at first. You did great today.
Thanks, Amelia. Today was really fun. I enjoyed everything about this bakery.
It was fun. And you know what? You also learned a lot of new words today.
Oh, you're right. I did learn a lot. Let me think. What words did I learn?
Tell me, what new words do you remember?
Okay, bakery. That's the shop that bakes bread. Loaf. That's a whole piece of bread you can slice. Baguette. That's the long, thin French bread.
Very good. What else?
Croissant. The one shaped like a half moon with lots of butter. Pastry. The sweet and crispy one. Tongs. The things I use to pick up the bread. And tray. The flat thing I put the bread on.
That's a lot of new words. You also learned to go. Do you remember what that means?
F. To go means you want to take the food with you, not eat at the shop.
Perfect. You remembered everything. That's really good.
I think I remember things better when I eat something delicious. Delicious food helps me study.
Is that so? Then we should go to bakeries more often. For your English study, of course.
Of course. Only for studying. Not for the bread at all.
Right. Only for studying English. The delicious bread is just a nice bonus.
Yes, just a nice bonus. I like that plan. Let's do it.
It's a plan. See you next weekend, bakery.
How was it? Did you enjoy the conversation between Alex and Amelia? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What is the long, thin French bread called? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. Even a simple sentence is perfect. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. In today's video, you learned many useful words like bakery, loaf, baguette, croissant, pastry, tongs, and tray. On this channel, I share slow and easy English stories. This helps you learn naturally and comfortably. I will keep uploading videos like this. So, if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the Peak English channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. Alright, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!